Hi guys, today we will talk about how to send a voice message on your Skype app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Skype app. So all you have to do is to just so it's going to show for you like this your app. So and you just click here on your contacts, then it's going to take you in this window. Then you just choose contacts you want to send voice message. I have no contacts here, so we will go to click here in this context for example. Then it's going to take you here in this window, and you just click here on this sign here, and when you just click, so it's going to send your voice on your in this chat. So that's all you have to do. So if you go to your chats here, you click here on chats and you click, and you will find your voice you send. So I think it's going to take time to open with us the chat. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.